Click on Add button to enter rights application allotment. Select the script. Enter record date and check eligible entitlement. Enter rights rate per share. Enter additional quantity applied if any. Enter rights ratio. Select the demat account. Click OK. Go to Master menu. Select Opening Stock Equity. Click on Search. Select Opening Stock to search rights script. Click OK. Verify script with opening purchase date. Select the demat account where holding available. Click OK. Enter the bank entry reference number. Enter the amount equals total quantity allotted by per share. Select Payment Bank. Select Shares Investment or Stock in Trade. Click on Save. Click on Search. Search your entry. Go to Reports menu. Select Equity Derivatives Gain, Loss. Select STLT Speculation. Select the script, rights applied into. Click OK. Click on Details Profit, Loss with Rate. Click OK to check effect into capital gain. Kindly contact our support team for further assistance.